Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, so today guys, we have a possible future spoiler. Now, somebody found this in Joe's post today on Instagram, I believe. I believe it was Instagram. I might have to go back and recheck that. But I found this on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. She finds all these spoilers. She's wonderful. But her name is Suzanne, and she also started a YouTube channel. I'm going to link her below, guys. Go check it out. Give her some love and tell her I sent you. But somebody's seen this in the background of Joe's video. So this might be a sneak peek at a future box. We don't know. It's not confirmed, but I did want to let you guys know. It is the Touch in Sol No Problem Priming Water. It is valued at $23. Now, it says it's a bi-phase multi-oil with Bulgarian damask. I don't know how to say that, guys. Y'all know me. Rose oil and rose water. And it helps moisturize dry skin immediately and vitalize, making the skin perfectly ready for makeup. Guys, I do have this. I got one with my Ipsy bag. It's been a few months back, but I absolutely love this stuff. It is very hydrating, and it does leave the skin a little bit tacky. So I like that in a primer because it makes me feel like my makeup has something to grab and hold on to. So honestly, I love it. If you don't like that sticky feeling, this might not be the product for you, but I love it. But guys, I did want to address this and let you guys know that you might be seeing this in a future BoxyCharm or Boxyluxe, pretty sure BoxyCharm box. But anyways, guys, I will keep y'all updated if anything else appears. So make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Also kind of hurtful, but it doesn't matter as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more tiny favor from you guys before you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.